dahil ikaw ang dakila nating
Principal,
ako ay ang
dakilan.
student.
Yes.
Ano
Oo.
yung ano ko ba? Yung, ano po tayo ngayon? May enhancement. It's not like you're successful and then it ends there. I believe that it's a continuous process. And
Parang work in progress.
Yes, I'm
Oo.
still I still have a lot to learn. But ang pinakapangarap ko ay maging artista.
Wow! Okay.
Maging artista. Yan, sinabi ko na maging artista. So, wala nang bashing po. Aside from the bags, from the handmade bags, handwoven bags, there was an accidental launch of the kaftans. Yung mga
Oo.
parang duster na mahahaba.
Yes. Very common in women in the Middle Eastern.
Exactly.
Oo.
Yes. Yung parang mga Arab countries.
Oo, Arab.
It was an accidental doc na discovery kasi that time, during the
Oo.
pandemic, people were just staying at home, lounging sa bahay, or minsan
Siya naman mag-lounge.
lang sa bahay. I believe that there's no such thing as originality. You cannot really claim a certain design that it's really your own, because I
Yes.
believe that each design is always coming from an inspiration. Inspiration
very
from the
good.
places that you went, inspiration from something you saw,
Experiences.
the experiences.
Oh, sorry, teacher talaga very good.
Sure. Ayan. So, people were, di ba nagtatambay-tambay sa bahay,
Oo.
naka-duster. I wanted to create something na kahit nasa bahay ka lang, kagigising mo pa lang at bigla kang gustong lumabas, mag-beach or pumunta ng grocery.
Dapat wardrobe ready.
Oo, dapat hindi nakakahiya. So, kahit may bisita dumating, hindi nakakahiya, glamorous ka pa din, maganda ka pa din, presentable ka pa din. So, that's how the kaftans came in.
Oo. So, parang as they say, madam look.
Madam,
Oo.
sa totoo lang ha, ang goal talaga natin doon ay maging madam.
Madam
Yes.
look. Oo. Because I see them in Arab countries. Usually, daily talaga nila yon. Wardrobe. They wear it every day. So that's why even if they have yung parang hood on their heads, they still look glamorous and everything.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yun
Oo.
talaga.
So yon. So but at the same time, you made sure na yung mga kaftans will be on all occasions.
Exactly.
Diba? Oo.
Another inspiration sa kaftan natin is that you can wear it from day to night to day. You can wear it for a party, for just to watch a movie.
Yes.
Kahit pwede ka rin mag-shopping, magkape. So, very versatile siya. And ito na ang pinaka-importanteng part ng kaftan. It's free size. There is no discrimination sa sizes ng kaftan natin. May inclusivity siya. It can be worn ng XS hanggang sa XXL.
Okay.
Walang discrimination. There's inclusivity. Everybody can wear. And it will look good on any body type.
Yes. So guys not only in beauty pageants, there is inclusivity, but also in kaftans, in weaves and bows, diba? We love it. Very important yan. Very diverse. Ayun diversity, inclusivity na naririnig natin.
Yes.
Oo. But most importantly, you were also able to help a lot of your workers.
Exactly.
Yes. Na magkaroon ng stable job.
Tama. Kasi during that time, pandemic, ang hinahire po natin ay yung mga housewives na nawalan ng trabaho sa pagiging dressmaker nila, o yung mga walang ginagawa sa bahay, na meron naman silang mga sewing machine. So, naghanap po kami ng mga neighbors, families, friends na pwedeng
who are willing
to work from home para gumawa ng mga kaftans natin.
Oo. So after kaftans, nag-evolve ka na into something that is more nationalistic.
Yes.
Oo. So importante guys, we have to love our own country.
Super.
Oo.
Super. So after kaftans, naisip namin just this year actually to come up with with something that's very cultural, something that is
yes. From what I know, ikaw lang ang meron actually dito na
Talaga?
From what I know.
Di marami naman
A local player.
Yeah.
Kasi yung iba naman, these are the national players. From what I know. But here, originally from Tacloban, from what I know, ikaw lang.
Actually nga parang naging hindi naman struggle, but we were the ones who introduced the kaftan, lalo na here sa Eastern Visayas. Ang daming tao, they don't wanna wear the kaftan. They don't wanna wear it. They were reluctant to try it.
Kasi syempre, for
na-intimidate
example,
sila.
kung medyo a
straight lang
little bit big ka, you will look big. Di ba yung
feeling
iba?
nila.
Feeling nila. Pag ano naman, you're
Small.
petite and you will be
Feeling nila.
wearing a big one. So parang feeling din nila, luwag-luwag and everything.
Pero lahat yun, Doc, feeling lang. Sa totoo lang, it looks good. The draping of the kaftan looks good in
very
every body
flowy.
type.
Yes.
Para ka lang talaga actually na nakatwalya. Hindi nakatwalya. Hindi.
Nakatwalya.
Para ka lang
nakakurtina.
Parang minantilan ka lang. Sa totoo lang, no?
Oo. Parang table na nilagyan
parang
na
table na
table
minantilan.
cover.
Oo. Parang minantilan ka lang, pero lakas ng dating.
Yes. But actually, ang maganda dun, kasi you're very comfortable.
Yeah.
You can move freely. Number 4. Wow. Naka-experience ka rin ba ng mga downfall? Oo.
Ano naman alam mo, Doc,
Yes.
I think masasabi ko na mapalad naman ako, no? Dahil hindi naman ako dumating sa point where super na ako, devastated,
Yes.
at walang-wala. So, I think I am blessed that I'm given a family who is there, who is stable and everything. Siguro masasabi ko lang na, there was a time when I cannot buy too much of luxury. I cannot buy luxury stuff.
Yes.
Siguro yun lang yun. Kasi kung baga sa needs naman, wala naman akong problem. Na-provide naman lahat sa akin nung bata pa ako hanggang sa when I got married. Pero siguro there was a time lang when parang you cannot do so much luxury, hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng maraming Louis Vuitton. Paano yun? Louis Vuitton.
Yung mga signature
Hindi ka masyadong
bags or
priority
signature
yun.
items.
Hindi masyadong priority yun. Dahil hindi ka pa talaga masyadong makaka-afford ng mga maraming mga ganyan. So dumaan ako sa time na parang ina-aspire ko lang na sana nagka-Louis Vuitton ako. Or makabili ako ng Chanel. Yun yung mga time na feeling ko siguro na I am broke. I cannot buy a Chanel.
Pero I must say, you are resilient. And what's the nice thing about you, kasi dun ko rin nakita yung sarili ko, that when at times there is a calamity, that is where our creativity, and that is where we think more.
Exactly.
Yun, yung mga projects. Kasi ganyan din ako. Yung pandemic, that was the time also that I developed the Dr. Y Cosmeceuticals.
Yes, may na-develop kayong product. Pandemic gave
So,
birth
very
to Dr.
resilient.
White. Yes.
Oo. So, yun yung na-admire ko rin sa'yo. Resiliency. Oo. Hindi pwedeng magpatalo sa agos ng buhay or any problems that we encounter. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, life is too short to be meddling on problems.
Sa totoo, yes, super true.
So, when you are at your lowest, that is the time where you can think of things
out of the box.
out of the box.
Yes.
Oo. Problems are opportunities.
Exactly. So tragedies and problems are opportunities. The opportunities. So, marami tayong pwedeng mapag-isipan na anong pwede nating maging pagkakitaan during that time. Kasi lahat ng mga merong needs ang society Every time na may tragedy, may sakuna, may needs ang mga tao. Pwede tayong makatulong and at the same time kumita.
And then hahanapin mo lang kung saan ka papasok.
Exactly.
Oo. Wala namang secret to success. It's just that you have to be very resilient and you have to be ready whatever happens to you.
Exactly. At lalong-lalo na pagka-passion mo, yung passionate ka sa ginagawa mo, that will fuel you
to do better,
to
work better, to work harder.
Yes.
So, parang sabi nga, determination and dedication.
Yes.
Ayun.
Passion.
Okay. So, with all your positive vibes, have you ever faced major challenges na nagpatanong sa'yo kung maabot mo pa ba yung dreams or goals?
Yung mga pinagdadaanan ko naman ay tama lang naman. Pero dumaan ako sa point na parang feeling ko hindi ko na marireach yung dream. Siguro nung when I graduated from college, kasi hindi ko gusto yung course ko
Oo. Actually, si Ate Coke, ang course niya is medical course. PT, hindi ko ma-imagine.
Yun nga kasi yung parents, alam mo naman, being batang 90s, being...
Masunurin.
Ano ba tayo, Gen X?
XYZ. Aray ko,
Gen, ako-
bago maging millennial.
Hindi kasi, I think millennial ka.
No, I'm 1980. No, I'm not millennial.
1980 kayo.
Ako Gen
Millennial
X
na
ako
ba?
eh.
Third millennial.
1978 ako, so Gen X ako eh. So, alam mo yung mga Gen X, masunurin sa magulang. Pag sinabi ng magulang, magdodoktor ka. Magdodoktor
Uy,
ka.
pareho naman tayo. Masunurin din naman ako sa
Pero
magulang.
kung gusto mo yung doktor.
Oo.
Pero kung gusto mo yung maging doktor.
Yes.
Ako kasi, sabi niyo, magpipiti ka kasi, yan ang uso ngayon, mag-abroad ka. So ako naman,
Oo.
okay, sige. Mama, Papa, gusto ko mag-fashion design. Sabi ng Papa ko, wala namang bibili sa mga damit mo. Pag nag-fashion designer ka, sinong bibili sa damit mo? Sino magpapadesign
Yeah,
sa'yo?
tsaka at that time,
So, parang
at
ayaw
that time,
nila.
hindi pa rin ata siya masyadong
Hindi.
very popularized.
Hindi siya popular.
Oo.
So,
I
yun
think
nga.
it started to become more popular mga late 2000.
Yes, exactly.
Oo,
Mga 2000 na. So, yun nga, yung course ko, hindi siya relate sa gusto ko. So, yun actually that time, nung nag-graduate na ako and everything, tapos kailangan na akong maghanap ng trabaho and nakahanap ako ng trabaho sa isang sikat na telecommunications
Company.
So, sabi ko, I was happy kasi may trabaho ako, pero sad ako in a way na feeling ko hindi ko na talaga makukuha yung pangarap ko.
Oo.
Kasi nagtrabaho na ako sa ibang
Yes.
area, sa ibang field. And then after that, I got married, I had a child.
Oo.
So yun yung mga turning point sa life ko na sabi ko, okay, I will accept my fate. Hindi na ako maging fashion designer, hindi na ako magkaka-own label, hindi na ako magiging what I wanna become, lalong hindi artista. Lalong hindi artista. So, sabi ko, okay, I accept this. Iba na talaga yung field na
Oo.
pinasukan ko. Nag-asawa na ako, may anak na ako. Goodbye, dreams.
But you know, it's never too late.
Yes.
Because when you were in your 40s, that's where you started Weaves and Bows.
Oo, yes.
Kaya nga,
Never
di
too
ba?
late. Yun talaga.
Oo. So, inuna mo rin syempre yung family mo, yung kid mo. But right now, because your kid is already a grown-up, syempre we still guide them. But at the same time, you wanted also to start dreaming also for yourself.
Yes.
Oo. So, para yan sa mga din natin, mothers, to never stop dreaming about yourself.
Yes.
So, we also think about ourselves, aside from, syempre, taking care of our children and our husband.
Never stop
Oo,
dreaming.
Oo.
It's always never too late to follow your dreams.
Yes. Kasi pwede naman siya ipagsabay.
Oo.
Oo.
Pwede pala.
You can have two priorities
Oo.
naman. Oo.
Pwede.
Basta as long as na ma-manage. Oo.
Like you, Doc, parang na-appreciate kita, and dahil you can juggle between being a doctor and a businesswoman at the same time, mom ka ng two lovely kids.
Mahirap. Hindi ko rin alam kung minsan anong gagawin ko. But I always look at my mom. How she became a superwoman. Oo, imagine mo managing several branches of Getty Panis, tapos she had 4 children.
Is it hard for you? Ako nag-interview. Is it hard for you to become to be the daughter of a salon tycoon in the Tacloban?
I've learned so many things while I was here in Tacloban. Kasi syempre hindi naman ako nag-aral dito. But the nice thing is that at first I had struggle because syempre parang feeling ko nagkakaroon ako ng identity crisis as well because I felt that I was I was building my name. But through time, my father said, just be yourself.
Yan talaga.
And do not hear whatever other people say. So just be yourself, be confident about yourself. Anything will just follow.
Exactly.
Oo.
Kaya I admire.
So you just listen and try to filter kung ano man yung mga sinasabi ng iba. Because at the end of the day, it's us who know ourselves. Oo.
And you know what, Doc, ha?
O tsaka wala na akong panahon. You know naman, I end very late like you also. Imagine mo, nakikita din kita, pumupunta din sa sa mall to check also. So
Pero
we don't
Doc,
have time na hindi ko alam mag-entertain ng mga negative things.
Oo nga.
Kasi we have to be very focused with our business
Tama.
also as well.
Alam mo, Doc, ha? Believe ako sa'yo, you were able to make a name for yourself sa ibang field.
Ha?
Na hindi masyado.
Ate ko, pareho lang tayo empowered. Okay lang yun. Work in progress din ako.
Oo nga, tama.
So I'm also a work in progress. We also have ups and downs.
And we are still learning.
Yes. Learning, lang tayo, work in progress. O yun. Number 6. Ito positive naman to. Winning moments ng buhay mo,
Wow.
sa buhay mo, na na-realize mo na within reach na ang long-time dream mo.
Okay,
And
excited ako.
how do you feel about it?
Okay, sige. Ay, diba?
Doon tayo sa winning, doon tayo sa
Okay.
losing moment.
Alam mo yung,
Oo.
alam mo, feeling ko, yung winning moment ko.
Kasi dapat i-claim
Oo.
natin.
Hindi ako, nahihiya ako. Sabi ng husband ko, baka magyayabang ka dyan sa interview. So, hindi, wala naman ako yung pagyayabang. Gusto ko lang i-share yung mga small wins ko. Alam mo yung winning moment ko,
Yes.
yung True Love.
Oo.
Yung True Love, because nung na-establish yung True Love nung 2014, in a matter of 3 months, 2 months, ang dami ko ng interviews from national television.
Diba? Pang worldwide.
Yes, so sabi ko na amazed ako.
Global.
National television, they came here to interview us.
Yes.
Tapos na-air siya on national TV, and I had several stints in local television sa mga sikat na networks with the sikat na
Oo.
artista. They came here
So
to
yun na
interview.
yung artista
Oh,
mode
yan,
on
artista
mo.
moment na. Meron na tayong mga, pwede mo mention yung mga TV station. But anyway, yung mga
Wag
sikat na
na
TV
ako.
station, yun nga, meron na tayong mga shooting dito nangyayari with the artista. Tapos, ini-interview na ako ng artista.
Yeah.
Tapos, na-feature ako sa mga sikat na magazines, sa
Oo.
papers,
Papers. And even in magazines like the ones in airlines.
sa airline,
Nakita ko
dalawa.
yun, yes.
Yung dalawang sikat na airline
Oo.
natin, na-feature tayo dyan.
Oo.
Tapos yung mga sikat na newspaper din,
Yes.
na-feature din. Tapos we got awards. So parang feeling ko that time, wow! Totoo ba to?
Oo.
I am an entrepreneur.
Yes.
Dati pangarap ko lang siya, napunta ako sa mga artista. Hindi pala ako mag-artista. May
Hindi pala ko yung pupunta doon. Sila pala yung pupunta sa'yo.
pangarap ko lang naman na ma-shooting ako eh. Gusto ko lang na shooting ako. Yun nga, sabi ko, uy, parang artista na din. Okay na to. Hindi, totoo. Sabi ko, okay to. Yun
Oh,
talaga.
kasi it's 1 in a million also eh. Not everybody will experience that.
Yes, thank you, Lord.
Kaya dapat pinagbubutihan natin in everything that we do. Oo. So yun. So ano pa ibang winning moments?
Yun, winning talaga. Sabi ko, ay, grabe.
Ako, yung winning moment mo ngayon is isa din yung Weaves and Bows.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yun yung first. Tapos ito,
Oo.
yun-
Kasi nakikita na rin yung damit mo on national TV.
oo nga, sa totoo lang, yung Weaves and Bows, ito talaga yung pangarap ko. Kasi dati, pangarap ko naman maging entrepreneur, pero not so much on being a restaurateur.
Yes.
Pero yun nga, sometimes, yun nga, hindi lahat, hindi yung dreams natin nakukuha agad-agad. Minsan may pagdadaanan ka na
Oo.
ibang way. Do not lose hope.
Yes.
Akala mo,
Innovate.
yeah, do not lose hope, but eventually, ibibigay sa'yo ni Lord kung ano yung matagal mo nang gusto. Just have the patience, the perseverance to
Yes. Oo.
to get your dreams, to reach for your dreams. Yung ako, hindi na ako makapaniwala ngayon na I have my own brand, I have my own label,
Oo.
at sinusuot na siya ng mga ibang artista.
Yes.
At na-feature na siya sa television, sa mga teleserye.
Oo, yun.
Oo.
Kasi part din
Parang-
ng making a business daw is to, you should innovate.
Mhm.
So you should it's either you follow the trend or you make the trend. Importante yun.
I like that
Oo.
because yung tagline ko nga is Weaves and Bows, we do not follow the trend. We are
We make the
we
trend.
are the trend.
Yes, we are the trend. Or we make the
Yeah.
trend. Oo. Medyo risky yun. But life is too short to never take risks.
Yes.
As long as we know our risk
Oo.
and we wanted to promote our product as well. Oo.
Calculated risk.
Calculated risk. May mga moments ba na gusto mo na lang sumuko sa dream mo? Or ano ang nagbigay sa'yo ng strength para magpatuloy?
Okay.
So along the way.
Oo, meron yung sinasabi ko kanina nung
Oo.
I went to study PT,
PT,
tapos
yes.
nag-graduate ako. I worked for a
Ada pa.
telecommunications company, tapos nag-asawa ko. Yun yung time na sumusuko na rin ako ng konti.
Oo.
But, ang nag-push sa akin to go back to my creative sides, yung mom ko. So, utang na loob talaga kay mama lahat because she was the one who encouraged me. Siya talaga yung nag-purso sa akin na, yes, kaya mo pa naman. Kaya mo
Oo.
naman on the side.
Yes, kasi it's never too late despite yung
Oo,
age.
exactly. And then eventually, nung nakita ng husband ko na yung potential, kasi unang naniwala sa akin mama ko.
Oo.
Sorry talaga, husband. Sorry, but
Mothers knows best.
Mother knows best. Unang naniwala sa akin yung mama ko, and then next na naniwala sa akin yung husband ko.
Oo.
So nung nakita niya yung potential, that was the time he started supporting me.
Yes.
And tuloy-tuloy na lahat ng support sa akin ng asawa ko. Like, all throughout hanggang ngayon, like, ano siya, super duper
100% or
200%
200% supportive.
all the way.
Because
Pero,
I believe for a marriage also to be
Yes.
successful,
Mm-mm.
a partner should support each
Exactly.
other. Oo. So you support the dream of your wife or the wife support the dreams of the husband. Or you
Exactly.
both support each other.
Exactly. Above all else, it was God who gave us the wisdom, who gave me the wisdom,
Yes.
the creativity, the talent. It's always God-given. Even the small wins in life came from God. I believe there's no such thing as luck, but rather blessing po lahat yan.
Oo.
In all my decisions, ever since that I surrender my life to the Lord, lahat ng decisions ko, even sa mga business, I would always like ask for His guidance. Like, paano kung hindi naman sumasagot si Lord?
Oo.
Ang gagawin ko lang, pag malalaman ko na gusto ni Lord, pagka smooth ang
Yes, may signs.
May sign.
There will be always signs along the way.
pagka smooth
Na-
ang daloy ng mga plano mo, talagang kay Lord.
Oo.
Pero pag ang daming hindrance, ang daming
Hindrance
sakit sa ulo,
along the way,
alam mo na yon na hindi talaga,
pwede ipagpatuloy.
wag mo nang pilitin.
So yun yung nakita ko kay Ate Coke, that despite of everything that she has, she doesn't fail to go to church, yun, Bible studies, yun, ganun. So, sinisingit mo pa talaga yun. Importante
Oo.
yun. My last question.
Okay.
Ngayon na naabot mo na ang maraming sa iyong goals, ano ang next big dream or goal that you are working on? May bago ka bang pangarap na itutuloy?
Wow.
Is it, for example, like, you want Weaves and Bows to be nationwide, like that? Because diba napapag-usapan din
Oo.
natin. Kasi yun yung brand na medyo mataas ang potential to really grow. Oo.
Tama. Alam mo, sabi ko kanina na it's always a continuous process.
Yes.
I'm still learning and I never believe na parang successful ka na talaga. I mean, success is there already. Para sa akin talaga, it's an evolution, continuous, development. So ngayon, ang goal ko sana for Weaves is to go nationwide with its physical store. Kasi nationwide naman tayo in a way na we are online, we are visible online,
Yes.
nakapagbebenta naman tayo online. Pero I want to have a physical store in the key cities.
Oo.
Diba? In the major cities of the
Para malaki din ang reach.
Oo.
Because it's different when you are able to feel yung mga fabric, yung mga ganon.
Yes.
Oo.
Iba pa rin ang shopping, kahit pusong online shopping. Iba pa rin yung, for a shopaholic like us,
Oo.
diba? Self-confessed.
Oo.
Iba pa rin ang feeling that you get to fit the dress, you touch the material,
Oo.
you get to smell the fabric, smell
Ako iba yung nakikipag-agaw ka dun sa nakikipag-agaw dun sa rack. Akin yan.
diba? Iba pa rin yung parang, yung parang,
Parang nandun yung drive mo na akin
oo,
yan.
iba pa din,
Oo,
diba?
oo.
Diba? So,
Hindi kidding aside, oo.
yun. So, yun talaga yung pangarap natin.
Yes.
Continuous goal natin.
Oo.
Is to be
Minsan
able to-
kasi, pinasabi natin na, ayoko, kasi baka hindi ko kaya. Pero minsan di natin alam. Baka, why don't we try?
Exactly.
Oo.
Tsaka
As long as we have the funding and
Exactly.
everything, why
Sana
not?
may funding. Yun na nga yung,
Oo.
yun na yung natin, yung struggle natin. Kailangan talaga natin ng maraming funding. But
Oo,
anyways,
Oo,
yun talaga.
kasi yun din ang isang dream ko.
Talaga.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo. If you could, why is it that others can make it? Why can't we make it?
Exactly.
Oo,
And you know
parang
what, Doc, ito ang pinakamasarap ko na challenge, na pressure sa life. Di ba ayaw natin ng mga pressure, pero meron isang pressure sa life at problem na gustong-gusto ko. Yun ang pressure of opening a new store o pressure of opening a new business. Dahil ang sarap ng pressure na kailangan kong may habulin na target, kailangan kong habulin na opening.
But actually, stress, although
Even
stress drives us crazy,
Yes.
but stress also motivates us to who are the icons that you look up to, whether local or international.
Okay, when it comes to fashion, I think it would always be Heart Evangelista.
Oo.
Just because she can practically wear anything and pull it off, like her fashion is unapologetic, and that is what we really wanted for Weaves and Bows. Unapologetic kind of fashion wherein you don't need to explain yourself.
Yes.
Like print on print, whatever color to whatever color, whatever you want to match. Kumbaga, wala tayong rules.
Okay.
No rules.
No rules.
It's always your rule, your style. Your rule, your style. Never apologize. This is me.
So the
Parang
saying,
yun talaga.
your style, your fashion.
Exactly. Your rules, your style,
Oo.
your fashion.
Okay.
Yun talaga yung goal natin.
Okay. So, syempre, ang pinaka-last question ko, how do you maintain being young-looking? So, what are your skincare na tips that you usually do to yourself to maintain young-looking?
Wow naman. Ang hirap ng question. Hindi, to be honest, I'm not that kind of ma-proseso with my skincare. But I'm just so lucky to have Youth Plus Skin and Laser Center. Walang harong biro because it's only Youth Plus Skincare Laser Center and UDoc na nagturo sa akin on how to maintain my skin even up to ngayon.
now. Pero
up to
kasi
now.
you are blessed with good skin as well.
Hindi naman kasi ako more acne prone and
Yes,
everything.
oo.
But yung aging process ay hindi natin ma-halt. Pero makokontrol.
Oo.
And that I'm so blessed to have Youth Plus who's helping me to,
Make me youthful.
make me
Make you
youthful.
youthful.
Oo. So, yun nga. Ang pinapalo ko lang yung basic lang naman. Cleansing naman.
Oo,
Yung always cleansing.
Yung basic skincare, which is to cleanse, to tone,
Di ba siya
moisturize,
kasi
and
nga,
syempre, very important to wear sunscreen daily. Oo.
Sunblock.
So,
Yun
very
lang.
important.
Basic plus Youth Plus equals yabang. Ikat mo yan. Nakakahiya. Baka sabihin na
Hindi.
napakamahusay ako.
Oo. Pero yun, very youthful talaga ito si Ate Cook. But more than that, overall, nandun na, perfect.
Ay,
Wow,
sana
perfect,
all.
sana all.
Kaya, no bashing.
No bashing. Sige na nga lang, i-claim na lang natin na, appraise na lang natin yung self natin.
Para-
di ba, love yourself.
Wala namang ibang mag-a-appreciate. Tayo na lang. Tayo na lang.
So, ano yung mga lessons na nakuha ko?
Sige.
Okay, number 1, honor your parents. So, obey your parents. Oo.
Yes.
Number 2, never forget to be able to graduate. So, importante, have a good education. Okay, because that's your only key to success. And number 3, put passion into a purpose. So, that's what I note with Ate Cook. Oo. So, ito yung mga things na natutunan natin kay Ate Cook. That's why, until now, I don't say that, sabi nga ayaw niya na success, but we are all a work in progress. So, Ate Cook, thank you very much for being my guest. So, ito talaga siya, very admirable because number 1, I love her artistry, her creativity, ibang level. Oo, ibang level. Hindi ko talaga parang wow, pwede palang ganun. Oo. So, and also, syempre, yung pagiging resilient mo rin. Oo. So, and also yung pagiging obedient to your parents. Oo. And also for being a caring and a loving friend, a loving wife, and a loving mother to your son. So that's it. Parang na lang, sana all, everything in one package.
Wow, sana
Oo.
nga.
So ano yung last message mo na?
For the aspiring.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Doc,
Oo.
for having me in your
Yes.
Dr. Wise
Skin Talks.
Skin Talks.
Oo.
It's such an honor and
Yes.
pleasure to be here on your 4th Tama ba?
Fourth.
Fourth
Yan, guest.
guesting
Episode.
Okay, so for those aspiring young entrepreneurs, do not lose hope. It's always never too late to follow your dreams, to follow your passion. Even to those who are not young anymore, it's never too late. And always remember to put God first, because we are just stewards of God's blessings.
Yes.
So that would be all.
Yes.
And always put passion
Yes.
as your fuel,
Oo.
because it will propel you to greater heights. Oh, greater heights.
So, Ate Coke, thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure to have you here in the Dr. Wise Kid Talks.
Ayan.
Oo.
The pleasure is more
Yes.
on me. The pleasure is more on me. Yun.
Oo.
How was my
Oo.
exam?
How was your exam?
Passed.
Okay, guys. She passed with flying colors. Okay?
Thank you.
Oo.
Ariane,
Ay, nandito si Aryan.
Doc, thank you so much for having me. I
Wow.
hope you accept my simple token of thank you.
Wow, ako tuloy yung mic gift. Dapat ako yung mic gift. Thank you so much. Oo. So that's it, guys. This is me, Dr. Johan, known as Dr. Y, signing off. Bye!